Recoil Audio RED 1800.5, the Echo series. I don't know why people ask, like, is there an Echo Pro series coming? I don't know. I think this thing is pretty badass. So let's see, it's 1 ohm stable on the bass channel, 1200 watts, and then let's see, and then 200 by 4, 220 by 4, whatever. Yeah, that sounds pretty badass, man. I was actually looking at the Incriminator Audio 5-channel that they just dropped, which I think is probably twice the price. This one I'm selling for only $220 shipped to any state in the lower 48. And then what I'm also doing is a 6-channel 4-gauge power wire kit for only $30 more. And so let's open this up and check it out. Pretty standard. Looks like the same packaging as the RED 1200.1. Oh, ferrules again. Good news for you guys. Wow, geez. 0 gauge. Yeah, let me compare that. When I post it, I'll put a link to the Incriminator Audio one, or other ones that are compatible, or like, you know, similar, and then you can look at the price on them. Again, I don't know why they charge so much. I think on the website they charge $240 for this one, and then I only got like 9 or 10 of them that I'm doing for $220 shipped. And then, like I said, shit. Okay, I'll do it for $10 more, the wire kit. So I'll do a 0 gauge 6-channel where it has 6-channel RCA, and it uses 0 gauge. I'll do that for $40 more. How's that? So that's a killer deal you won't find anywhere else except for through me. Text me direct, 602-312-6504. Comes with a manual, your little stupid things. Let's open the guts up. So this has the touches of Larry Fitzgerald with the twin power supplies. So this is, wow, this is rad. This is a super micro sized. Basically this section is 1200 watt RMS. There's the toroid for that one, and then you have a secondary toroid for the 4 channels. And then this is basically the 1200.4 built into. Boy, this is fucking great. Oh my god, and for the price? Yeah, so you're basically getting a 1200.4 and a 1200.1 or 240. Oh no, they're actually coming out with a 800.4. So it's the 800.4 and a 1200.1 all built in one chassis. 0 gauge inputs, all the other cool shit. There you go. Say no more. This thing looks rad. I'm excited. We have, I sent one to Hi-Fi Vector, and he's going to test it out. He's also testing out the RED 1200.1 and the DI 1200.4. Yeah. So, but they also have a DI 800.4 that is coming. I don't know why, but you know, whatever. I think the 600 and the 1200 is plenty, but I don't know. You guys are freaks. You love this shit. So, and I'd love to give it to you right in the butthole. So I love you guys. Have a good weekend.